Look at my forearm. Unbelievable. Right here. Oh, I hate you, Sump. Oh, I really do. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you all know, Mike Loves Life Aquatics here. I am at my 120 gallon saltwater tank. You can't see the sump below it right now, but I'm going to show you guys some maintenance that I do on my saltwater tank. This is the first time that I will be doing this specific type of maintenance. We are going to clean out the sump. We're going to get any type of debris that's down there. We're going to clean it out. I'm going to bring your camera down lower so you guys can see it. We also have some coral that are sitting here right now. We will put them into the tank when we finish. I am going to change the direction of my lights right now. If you enjoy my content and like the videos I put out, please hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. We pushed ourselves way over the 5K. Now we're on our way to 10K. I thank you all for doing it and being part of this journey. I really do appreciate it. Let's get started. All right, usually when I get started on my maintenance, I go straight for the glass. That's gonna be the first thing I'll do. All right, now we got that done. I'm gonna bring you down to where the sump is. I'm gonna shut everything off. The sump is probably about, oh man, all the way to the right, that's where the return pump is. The center is where the heater and the skimmer is, and the left, all the way to the left where it's a little dark at, that is where my 2 filter socks are, and then I also have the scrubbies as another filter source. We're gonna remove all that out of here, clean it, drain all this water out. That is old coral from a previous owner. Now look at that purple. It wasn't purple when I put it in there. Yeah, there's one filter sock. They work. This is a nylon filter sock. Doesn't get everything, but gets a little bit. All right, let's start getting these sponges. Let's get that closer. This part sucks. Can't really get in there, but this part, whew. I may need a better sump to get in, be able to access this. This is harder to get in here to do this. Let me get a towel. Probably won't put as many back in here. I know that. Come on. Frustration will get you. Instant frustration with this right here because of that. So we're gonna slide that over there. Ooh, crushed coral. Anybody? All that dirt over here. This is gross. Disgusting. A little drip up there, huh? So we're gonna put that right in this corner. So we'll be back after that drains down. All right, we're in the center now. We got the left side drained out. This is a pain in the butt. Like, just to clean this like this is terrible. Well, luckily I will not be doing this all the time, but I wanted to just show you guys how, if you want to get in on your maintenance for your sump, you know, you want to make sure your sump is looking good. because, you know, something got to be clean too, you know. All right, let's slide it on over to the return pump section. Oh, look, we got it. It's working. All right, guys, so I'm never gonna recommend doing this. This is probably gonna be a once, like every few months type thing I do. But yeah, we took everything out the first chamber, filter socks. That's the easy part. Then we moved over into the second chamber where all those sponges were, which was a lot of work. So I'm gonna put something in there so that they can sit on that, so it's easier for me to pull them out and they don't get all straight, and I probably won't have to put as many in. This type of material is really good for sumps, and it'll still pick up all different types of debris that don't get caught in those filter socks. I hope it stays folded. Okay. All right. So that's good. Now we'll just drop some more of those sponges on there. Large one into the back so it's better space. Okay. Hope you can see me doing this. Okay. And now see, this light is getting on my nerves because it's messing with my flow. Let's get number 2 in here. Easier. 2 fresh clean filter socks. Two. Oh man. All right. So we'll put the hoses in there. What was that? And then once I get as many as I want, I'll start pressing down. Wow. That was a pain in the arse. Skimmer head back on. Broke a sweat. Let's get some water in here. Actually, I'm gonna do a quick little wipe down, but I'm gonna get some water in here next. Look at my forearm. Unbelievable. And now for the easy part, let's fill this bad boy up with some fresh salt water. So I've been mixing my own salt water. This has been in here since about last week. About 30 gallons of this out. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep the rest or if I'm gonna use it for the quarantine tank. This is where the magic works. That's the RO water on that side for auto top off. Not here yet. This pump ain't strong enough to push it over. Look at this. Yep, definitely gonna have to switch this pump. Now we're moving. I have it shooting in through the filter sock. And then when we get to the center, I'm gonna turn the heat on. You dummy. It's leaking. Unbelievable. Why? Why is it not turning down? What the fuck is wrong with this hose? It should have been right here. Almost done, almost ready. Like I said, I was gonna let it go a little bit higher. Of course, after I spill all that water in the back. Sweet stuff. Okay, due to the water being a certain temperature, I'm gonna turn the heat on, the heater, and monitor what the levels are. Okay, I hope you can see it. I'm gonna try to get close. It's about 65 degrees. We're gonna let it heat up. And I'll be back with you guys after it gets up to temp so I can show you as I start it. All right, guys, we got it all up to temp. It's actually saying 80 down there, which as soon as we get the water running, it'll change. But we're ready to go. Here we go. There we go. If I had to give you my overall analysis for this experience, I hated it. I hated it completely. I got my arm a little bruised up from reaching in there. The dirt was a lot more than I thought was gonna be down there. just accessibility is one of the key points of having a good sump, and this is very difficult, and it does a really good job. It's just the height of it is tough for a person my size to reach in there and do it. I'm gonna keep up on the maintenance. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you've seen something that you may have learned from, or seen something that may have made you laugh or not. I just hope you enjoyed the whole video. Make sure you come back for the next video. And if you ain't reaching for the stars, why you reaching? I'm out.